I'ma turn this hoop into a NASCAR. Take this money, blow it away. I'ma turn this island to my backyard.
What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today's video, it's a video stemming from a video that I previously did the other day for the coolant temperature sensor. During the video, in the middle and towards the end, I kept on saying in writing to top off your fluids and burp the system. And when I say burp the system, that means to get the air out of the coolant system. And a lot of people some people had questions about that, so I just wanted to answer it real quick. That's why this video I'm going to show you, it's a pretty cool product you can get, and you can do this yourself. This is a product right here. It's a spill-proof funnel kit. You can pick this up on Amazon. If you see right here, there is, it's all in the box. There's a plethora of fittings, not these, but these fittings right here to fit most makes and models. Now, before I show you how to put it on real quick, I just wanted to tell you, so what you would normally do to help get air out of the system first is to like massage the top and bottom radiator hoses. And when you massage them, you'll see bubbles coming up. My stuff is pretty good already. So you fill up this to the full coal line, massage the hoses, let it sit for a bit, come back to it. Now, this makes it easy where you don't have to put any rags or anything like that. And the reason why I'm pointing here and not over here at the radiator cap, because this is the highest point. You want the highest point possible so gravity can take its course, so the fluid can get into it and air can come out, which is super easy. So let me show you how this works real quick. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to find the fitting that matches your radiator cap. And this one happens to be the green. So they come like this. So the corresponding cap, you take the corresponding color fitting, put it in so the gasket is right here. Put this in like that. Put this bad boy over it. Just get this out of the way. Put that over it, and you turn like you're boom. So and that's really snug. That's really snug. Now all you got to do, insert that right there. This'll be off, obviously. Insert that right there, and what you're going to be doing is put a little bit of coolant in there. So we're going to pretend that it was, you know, it didn't have much. You're going to put some coolant in there until you start seeing. So you're going to put coolant in here until you start seeing it back up. Then you're going to start the car. Once you start the car, you're going to put the heat on max. Put the heat on max and just let it run. And you'll start seeing bubbles coming out. And you want to let it run so the thermostat can open up too. So you want all that air out of the system. Let me show you. All right, so now you might be wondering, this came with it right here, this little plunger. This is what makes it freaking cool. So what this does, it just goes in here like that. So when you finish, you just pull this off, spill free. Pretty dope. Pretty freaking cool. That's awesome right there. So you get minimum spillage, and that's what you really want. So let's do this real quick. All right, now I'm gonna add some coolant in here. Okay, and it doesn't look like it's going down, obviously, because my stuff is pretty good, but hey, there could be air in there. It's all good. And now I'm about to start the car. Alright guys, so we're putting this on max heat, fan all the way up, and just let that bad boy run. And hopefully we should be able to see some bubbles or whatnot. Let's see. Very small bits and pieces of bubbles, which is pretty good. So I did a decent job the first time. Just let it run, and I'll be back in, let's just do 15-20 minutes.
for now, man, it is what it is.
All right, that's what we wanted right there, guys. So the fan kicked on, little tiny bubble specks, but nothing crazy. I did a pretty good job before. Really awesome, and working as it should. And look at this, haven't used a rag, and that's the little amount of coolant that was spilled. That was from the radiator. That was from me squeezing the lines to demonstrate for you. So pretty freaking good product. So it's been over 20 minutes already. Obviously I had a time lapse. So what I am going to do now, this is where this bad boy comes in right here. I'm going to shut the car off, pop this in there, take it out, plug it back up. All right, guys, so I literally just put that extension in there, lifted it, and only a little bit just spilled right here. I literally, the whole napkin isn't even, the whole paper towel, I'm sorry, is not even wet. So I'm just gonna put this right here, just gonna take this bad boy off, put the radiator cap back on, and we good. Look at that. It's like super seamless. It's easy. No spilling, nothing, no explosions on you. It's awesome. Oh, OCD. Gotta have it facing the front, right? There we go. And that's it. Nothing literally spilled down anywhere down there on my wires or anything like that. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so the system is completely finished bleeding out any air. As I said, while the car is running, have the heat on max. It'll just help for the thermostat to open up a little bit more. Also, give it a couple revs while it's in there. It'll help to get things flowing. And as I said, no type of spillage whatsoever. Freaking worth every penny. And obviously you can see that I did a freaking great job the first time, because there was hardly any bubbles. There was like very tiny. When I first did it a couple weeks ago, it was gulps, like bloom, like big bubbles. So now you know. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the description, guys. It was a pleasure having you guys hang out with me again today, and I hope that any questions were answered that you might have had. And now you know you can do it on your own. Peace.